Hi, my name is Usman, and in today's video training JavaScript, we will be looking at a callback function. A callback function definition is a reference to executable code or a piece of executable code that is passed as an argument to other code. From the above definition, the callback function is a function passed into another function as an argument, which is then invoked inside the outer function to complete some kind of routine or action. So first of all, let's get back to the console and let's create a project directory. So kdir callback and go into that directory callback, and let's create a file callback.js. I'm using Sublime editor, so sub callback.js. Okay, here we are. So let's get started. Let's define a simple function greeting which takes an argument name, and within that function we can simply say console.log hello and name. So this is a very simple function greeting. Let's define another function, process user input, and let's receive a parameter, a callback, and okay, let's create a property name, and let's say and give it a value John Doe, and set callback and pass this property name into that callback, and at the very end we can call the process user input function and pass our greeting method as a parameter to this function. Now save this file, go back to console, and let's run this callback.js. You can see we have hello John Doe on the console. So basically what is happening here is we are passing the function greeting as a callback to another function, that is process user input. Once this function receives greeting function, it sets the property John Doe and then pass this property to the greeting function as a parameter, which is name. So what if we add another parameter in the greeting function, let's say age, and we say hello name, and we say your age is, and let's print age here, and say greeting, we are passing greeting, and we say age is 25. We pass callback and age, save the file and go back to console, run the program again. You see we have now hello John Doe, your age is 25. In this video training, I have tried to simply explain the concept of callback function in JavaScript. I hope you have understood what does it mean and how it works. See you next time with a new topic in JavaScript.